Hey guys, I'm back and it is for an Ipsy unboxing. This is for the February 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm aware it is currently March. Because of all the weather and just general struggling the USPS has been having, I didn't get this until a couple days ago, and because of the weather, work's been a little bit crazy and this is the first chance I've had to film it, so my apologies. But let's go ahead and dive on in and see what we got. So, my bag overfloweth. I do really like the print of the bag. That's really cute. It is a little bit sheer. I can already see the card here, and let's see what it says. This month's theme is hashtag Ipsy send love. All you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream. Yes. Glossy red nails. You deserve it all. And then, yeah. Nothing, just same nonsense, honestly. Oh, but I guess different from same nonsense, there is a whole thing about celebrating Black History Month on the back, and they actually dedicated a portion of their websites to Black-owned brands, so kudos to them. Let's go ahead and dive into our first product. I did do one extra buy-on because there was a foundation I wanted to try and the price is right. So that's somewhere in here. But the first product I am looking at is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Soul Velvet Lipstick in the color Soul Rose. This is what it looks like. So there's this word soul, but then there's also like Seoul, Korea. Pardon me, just pardon my incorrectness, if you will. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this lipstick looks like. And this is what the outside looks like. This is kind of a fun design for a lipstick. And then here's the color. Ooh, it's pretty. We'll go ahead and swatch it. This is a really cute, like, spring shade, but it is a little bright and vibrant, so I don't know how I feel about that. Like, you know, I'm pretty much into neutrals, but you know, maybe for something fun for going out, it would be like a fun shade to play around with. The next item I am seeing is this Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum, Age Defying and Deep Hydration Serum. I'm just repeating words. I'm literally just reading to you all the words that are on the box. It is a blend of a Vitabrid CG, which is a stabilized vitamin C, and peptides that reduce signs of aging and brighten skin tone while providing deep hydration. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Now, if you're currently unaware, what Ipsy Glam Bag Plus does is you get to choose 3 items. They choose 2 items for you. I'm pretty sure I chose that lipstick. I don't remember because I chose it on like in January. No. Early February, now it's March. So I think I chose the serum because I'm starting to run low on serums. This is what it looks like. It's showing off a little lime greeny in the video, but it's more highlighter yellow. I just want to smell it and maybe like feel the viscosity. I don't know if I smell anything other than the lotion I put on. I am gonna go ahead and just put a drop on my hand. See how I feel about that. Slash, you are supposed to patch test these things, and I almost never do, so maybe I'm doing that now. Yeah, I recently put on lotion, did not think this through, so if it has a smell, all I can smell is lotion, so good job me. The next product is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. Now, I believe this is the one that I bought. There is another one that I chose, and that's because I get super excited whenever Ipsy does foundations. I've been subscribed to Ipsy Glam Bag, I guess the OG Glam Bag, for like 5 years now, and then I was actually able to do Ipsy Glam Bag Plus since when it first started, and during all of that time, this is the second time I've only ever gotten foundation. But again, this is the one I chose to pick because I thought, I've actually heard really good things about this brand. I'm just not sure about my shade. This might have to wait until summer before I'm able to use it, but let's see. So this is a pump. We'll go ahead and pump a little bit onto my hand. Oh, that is very liquidy. Okay, a little of that's gonna go a long way. So that's what it looks like. I think this will work, especially now that spring is here and I'm gonna start getting my natural tan back. I think this is gonna work. I'm a little concerned with how sheer this is. I think it'll build up, but it is very liquidy. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna have to play around with it. This is definitely gonna require, I think, a powder to set it. It's just more moist than I was planning. And I'm sorry that I used the word moist. I know that's a thing for some people. I actually feel like I need a napkin to wipe off my hand because I just never, trying to blend it in with the rest of my hand and it's not drying. And now it's mixing with the lipstick I just swatched. This is fine. This is fine. Anyways. The next thing is, I believe this is the product they picked for me. It is the Mayel Sunkissed Blush Palette, which it's been a while since I've gotten blushes. I think I changed my profile a couple months ago because I'm kind of over blushes. You know, at one point I was really not into them at all, like ever. I hated them, and then I decided I liked them and was constantly like asking for them, and now I have a collection of them, and so now I've gone back to being like, no, I don't really want blushes anymore. But I don't mind when I get a blush, especially because it's been a while since I've gotten them. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty, very shiny and chrome. And then this is what the actual palette looks like. I will attempt to swatch those, I guess maybe on my forearm instead of the my hand, because that's still a little moist, to be honest. These are all very pretty though. And there's a nice range in color. Some of them are shimmer, some of them are not. Let's see. I'm having a hard time remembering which ones I've swatched as I'm going through these. Some of these though, like, they kind of look like duplicate colors. Yeah, I think these are duplicate colors. I'm gonna do a science experiment. Yeah, okay, so this color and this color are the same. This and that are the same. This and this are the same. So you're really only getting 4 colors. It just looks like you're getting like 8. So JK. There are a bunch of swatches on my arm though, because I did not realize that until one point. So that's a nice range of colors. Some of them are showing up a little brighter than I would have thought on the camera. We'll play around with those eventually, especially now that like spring's coming back. I'm probably gonna start playing around with blushes more, but right now, I don't know, I just haven't been into blushes lately. The next product is the, what's it called? Foundation that I actually chose, which is the Anastasia. I don't know. I feel like everyone pronounces it Anastasia. Correct me in the comments below if I'm wrong. It is the Luminous Foundation. Let's go ahead and swatch this. I might have to swatch it on my other hand after the mess that was the Makeup Forever. I'm really into like thick foundations because I do have like not the greatest skin in the world. This is also a pump. This is also a very pretty bottle. Both of these, I will say, like, they're very pretty. Let's see, let's go ahead. Swash, swash. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, this is definitely like thicker than the Makeup Forever foundation. So the color's not quite there, but we can make it work. You know what I mean? And I'm actually gonna be right back maybe, unless I can, that little bit goes just such a long way. We're just gonna blend this into the rest of my hand because I didn't think about bringing makeup remover wipes or anything. Oh, this, you know, we're just, I am a beauty guru, guys. So much. I mean, I guess that's what it looks like blended in, so it doesn't look too different than what I'm currently wearing. Let's go ahead and look at the next product, which I'm confused. Maybe I used my points for this. I just don't remember using my points for it, but we'll go ahead and introduce it. It is the Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin for gorgeous, silky, smooth hair. It's color safe and UV protection. I might use my points for this. I don't remember, but I don't feel like I did. And I don't remember this being one of my options. So Excuse me, I'll look in just a minute. I'm just gonna smell it because I'm always curious about what these things smell like. And I will say that's thick. I don't know how it's gonna get through the little spritzy bottle, but again, having a hard time smelling it because of the lotion I put on my hands, now combined with the foundation I put on my hands. But yeah, I'll look that up. Give me a second. Okay, so I just checked and it was not one of my products. It does not say I bought it. I don't remember just like using my points for it. Granted, like their options to redeem your points are kind of just like not great most of the time, especially if you already have a decent sized makeup collection. I'm just gonna call this a happy little accident and move on to our last product, which is the Goldfaden MD Problem Uneven Skin Tone Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer Vitamin D Hyaluronic Acid Gooseberry. And then it says Dr. Goldfaden's multifaceted hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. So this is what the bottle looks like. Whoa, sorry, technical difficulties. So anyways, moisturizer. I was gonna try to smell it, but then remembered I'm not gonna be able to smell it anyway. So you'll just have to stick around and watch next month's Ipsy video, which hopefully will be up a little sooner than the beginning of the following month before to get my review on this. Speaking of which, what I like to do to end these videos is go through the products I got in my last month's Ipsy and let you know, did I like them? Did I not like them? Would I use them again? Would I buy them if it ran out, etc., so on and so forth. So the first product we will talk about is this makeup palette that we got from Duce, I believe. And it's the kind of palette where these things are magnetic and move around. Overall, I do like this palette. I did use this in probably all of my makeup looks for the last month or so. If you've watched any of those videos, other than maybe the vlogs. Excuse me, I just ate lunch before filming this, so everything's digesting a little bit. Anyways, I do like this. Some of the colors, like here's the thing. This would be perfect for a trip. You throw this in a bag, you can make a bunch of different makeup looks with it without having to pack like half your vanity. So that is a point in its favor. A lot of the mattes just weren't as like deep as I liked them to be, and they required a little bit more buildup. So believe it or not, I was actually using this black matte for the base of this. And I built it up, and by the time I got done like layering all the fun pretty stuff on top of it, this is what it looked like. Which again, I'm not mad, like I don't dislike this look, but like if you want a real black, this is not the makeup compact to go for, or makeup palette, that I would say. The next product I got in last month's was this Salt Body Scrub by Cosette. You can tell I've used a good amount of it. So this is less of a mechanical exfoliate. Honestly, it doesn't even exfoliate that much. It makes your legs feel really smooth after you've shaved, but it doesn't really exfoliate all that much. It just barely exfoliates. It mostly just makes your legs feel really smooth. So am I going to continue using this? Yeah, I'll use it till it runs out, but this isn't an exfoliator that I'm going to go grab for because it feels amazing. For example, the coffee exfoliator that has been sent to me, because coffee exfoliators are like a huge thing, or at least they were at one point, that I'm gonna gravitate more towards than this. So not bad, not my favorite though. The next product is the Butter Cleanser. It's just a gentle cleanser. I've been using this as my morning cleanser just to kind of prep my face for the day. I don't want anything too harsh stressing it out before I tackle the day, I guess. I like it. I don't have any big beefs with it. Is it pricey to just use as a gentle cleanser when there's other things like I would either use CeraVe or Cetaphil? I would probably use those over this, but I'm not angry that I got it in my Ipsy because that's about trying new products. The next product we're gonna go over is this Pixi Jasmine Oil Blend. I've been using this actually twice a day. I've been incorporating it both into my morning and my nighttime skin routine. I like it. A little bit of a subtle smell, but it's been very helpful with the dry winter we've been having recently in keeping my skin moisturized. And I've actually been using it around my cuticles as well because those are struggling right now. A lot of people were angry that they're getting drugstore brands. I personally am not offended by getting drugstore brands because I actually like the product. I might actually go out and buy the product. So it helps. It does save me money because I'm less likely to buy something at, you know, Walmart or Walgreens or CVS or whatever, and then be like, oh, I don't actually like this after all. So that does help me. And then the last product I can't actually show you because it was a perfume, and it was like, it smelled like that South Dakota trip we took, but not necessarily in a good way. I ended up giving that to a friend because her cat really liked it. So I don't know, maybe keep that in mind if you don't know what to do with that perfume that you got in last month's Ipsy. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, if you liked my video, consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm, promote my video to other people, such as liking and subscribing and sharing and commenting and turning on the notification bell. Did I say subscribe? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there, stay dry. It has been very wet lately, and hope to see you soon.